Installation. Installing the washer. Preparing for installation. Remove box and foam base under washer. Depending on washer size, have 1 or 2 people help with installation. At back of washer, 4 shipping bolts are fastened to prevent damage. Use wrench to loosen all 4 bolts and remove bolt assemblies. Cover bolt holes with caps. Make sure drain hose is not twisted during installation. Leveling the washer. Using the washing machine without leveling may result in malfunctions, excess vibration, and noise. Use carpenter's level to level washing machine. Check if washing machine is level. If not, extend leveling feet as needed. Slope beneath washing machine must not exceed 1 degree, and all 4 leveling feet must rest firmly on floor. After adjusting feet, rock top edges of machine or place a level on top of machine to check level. Turn lock nuts counterclockwise to tighten them when washing machine is level. Tighten all 4 lock nuts securely using wrench. Raising leveling feet unnecessarily may cause abnormal vibrations in washing machine. Using non-skid pads, optional. Installing washing machine on slippery surface may cause machine to move due to excessive vibration. Incorrect leveling may cause malfunctions through noise and vibration. If machine moves, install non-skid pads under leveling feet and adjust level. Clean floor before attaching non-skid pads. Remove any foreign objects or moisture with a dry towel. If any moisture remains, non-skid pads may slip. Level washing machine after placing it in installation area. Stick adhesive sides of non-skid pads to floor. It is most effective to install non-skid pads under front legs. If necessary, place pads under back legs instead. Installing the washer. Tighten C drain hose. Gravity drain only. Place outlet of drain hose in drain ditch of floor drain system. Do not place drain hose output higher than 2.7 inches from bottom of washer. Secure with cable tie and do not twist drain hose during installation. Tighten C emergency stop button, OPL type gravity drain only. Press emergency stop button in case of an emergency. After emergency has been resolved, turn button in direction of arrow. If button has been pressed by mistake, wait 2 to 3 seconds, then reset the emergency stop button. After reset, start pause button's LED light will blink. Press start pause again to resume normal operation. Installing the dryer. Installing gas dryer. Review the entire manual before installing and using the dryer. Follow the manual's guidelines to choose a proper location for the dryer and adjust the venting as needed. The single most important factor in dryer performance is the exhaust system, so be sure existing ductwork is clean before installation. To ensure optimal drying performance, the dryer must be level. Turn off the gas supply to the installation location. Confirm that the type of gas available in that location is appropriate for the dryer. Remove the shipping cap from the gas connection at the back of the dryer. Be careful not to damage the threads of the gas connector when removing the shipping cap. Connect the dryer to the location's gas supply. Securely tighten all connections between the dryer and the location's gas supply. Turn on the location's gas supply and check all the pipe connections for gas leaks using a non-corrosive leak detection fluid. Testing gas dryer exhaust. To test the exhaust on a gas model, close the dryer door. Press Start Pause to turn the dryer on and select a heat setting. When the dryer starts, the igniter should ignite the main burner. If all air is not purged from the gas line, the gas igniter may turn off before the main burner ignites. If this happens, the igniter will reattempt gas ignition after approximately 2 minutes. Installing electric dryer, 3-wire type. Remove the terminal block access cover on the upper back of the dryer. Install a UL-listed strain relief into the power cord through hole, then thread a UL-listed 30-amp 240-volt 3-wire power cord with number 10 AWG minimum copper conductor through the strain relief. Use a 30-amp 240-volt UL-listed power cord with number 10 AWG minimum copper conductor and closed loop or forked terminals with upturned ends. Attach the 2 hot power cord leads to the outer terminal block screws. Attach the white neutral wire to the central terminal block screw. It is highly recommended that you use an external ground wire. Attach the power cord ground wire to the green ground screw. Tighten all screws securely. Reinstall the terminal block access cover. Installing electric dryer, 4-wire type. Remove the terminal block access cover on the upper back of the dryer. Install a UL-listed strain relief into the power cord through hole. Then thread a UL-listed 30-amp 240-volt 4-wire power cord with number 10 AWG minimum copper conductor through the strain relief. Use a 30A 240-volt UL-listed power cord with number 10 AWG minimum copper conductor and closed loop or forked terminals with upturned ends. Transfer the dryer's ground wire from behind the green ground screw to the center screw of the terminal block. Attach the 2 hot power cord leads to the outer terminal block screws. Attach the white neutral wire to the central terminal block screw. Attach the power cord ground wire to the green ground screw. Tighten all screws securely. Reinstall the terminal block access cover. Testing electric dryer exhaust. To test the exhaust on an electric model, close the dryer door. Press Start Pause to turn the dryer on and select a heat setting. The exhaust air should be warm after the dryer has been operating for 3 minutes. Gas conversion, LNG to LPG. To avoid personal injury, unplug dryer before starting conversion. Turn off gas supply to installation location. Take care not to break the igniter while changing the nozzle. After disassembling the dryer, you can see the gas burner assembly. Remove 2 screws to disassemble the pipe assembly. Remove the pipe assembly, slowly pushing forward and pulling up. Twist the nozzle counterclockwise with a wrench to remove. Insert the LPG nozzle and twist it clockwise with a wrench to install. Assemble the pipe assembly, slowly pushing down. Insert the 2 screws. Close the adjustment screw using a flat blade screwdriver. Gas conversion, LPG to LNG. To avoid personal injury, unplug dryer before starting conversion. Turn off gas supply to installation location. Take care not to break the igniter while changing the nozzle. After disassembling the dryer, you can see the gas burner assembly. Remove 2 screws to disassemble the pipe assembly. Remove the pipe assembly, slowly pushing forward and pulling up. Twist the nozzle counterclockwise with a wrench to remove. Insert the LNG nozzle and twist it clockwise with a wrench to install. Assemble the pipe assembly, slowly pushing down. Insert the 2 screws. Fully open the adjustment screw using a flat blade screwdriver. Stacking, 2 dryers. The stacking kit is provided in the upper dryer box. Before stacking, measure to be sure there is enough space, including the height, and make sure the floor is level. Prepare the 2 dryers for stacking, leveling the lower dryer. Check the direction of the sliding brackets. Install the 2 sliding brackets on the top plate of the lower dryer, aligning the holes. Insert 5 screws in the top of each bracket. Use the same method for a washer and dryer stack. On the lower dryer, remove the 2 screws in the front panel, disconnect the wire harnesses, and detach the front panel. Remove 2 screws at the inside top. Push back the top plate. This may require some effort. Push it back until it stops, then lift it off. Tightly screw a security bracket to the front of the top plate. Attach another security bracket to the front frame. Assemble the top plate. Insert 2 screws in the inside top. On the upper dryer, remove the 2 screws in the front panel to assemble the coin selectors. Disconnect the display board connectors and remove the front panel. Assemble the coin selectors in the front panel and insert screws. Remove the 2 screws in the lower front panel. Remove the lower front panel. Move the lower front panel to the top front panel position on the upper dryer. Insert 2 screws. Lay the upper dryer on its back and unscrew the legs from the leg brackets. Remove the 4 leg brackets from the bottom of the upper dryer. Install the sliding pads, inserting 2 screws per sliding pad. There are 4 sliding pads on the base. Now, you can stack the upper dryer on the lower dryer. Align the sliding pads with the holes in the lower dryer, then slide the upper dryer forward slightly. Attach the stacking brackets to prevent movement. Place 1 stacking bracket at the back of the stacked dryers and insert 6 screws. Attach a security bracket to the front frame of the upper dryer. Use the key to insert the security lock in the lower dryer's front frame. Connect the front panel wire harnesses and set the front panel in place. Connect coin selectors and display wire harnesses on upper dryer. Assemble the front panel of the upper dryer. Insert 2 screws in the upper dryer's front panel. Insert 2 screws in the lower dryer's front panel. Use the key to insert the security lock in the upper and lower dryer's front panel. You can stack a washer and a dryer in the same way. Install LG commercial laundry machines to meet your needs. Arrange them side by side or stacked. The machines are easy to transport and reinstall if you change locations. Dryers easily convert to side by side, upper stacked or lower stacked dryers. Specific parts sold separately are required to stack a side by side machine. Changing the payment type, assembling the coin meter case. Remove 2 screws on front panel with screwdriver. Disconnect display board wire harnesses. Detach front panel assembly. Remove the 4 rubber caps and screws in outer lid assembly. Disassemble the outer lid assembly and remove the inserts. Unscrew 2 screws in top plate assembly. Push top plate back fully, then lift and remove. Use 2 bolts to attach coin meter case to top plate. Install 3 wire retainers in the side panel. Set top plate on product. Clip coin drop cables into wire retainers and feed through front opening. Reassemble top plate. Connect coin drop wire harnesses to provided connectors. Insert 2 screws in top plate. Connect the front panel wire harnesses. Insert 2 screws in front panel. Installation methods vary depending on coin meter case manufacturer. Stick non-skid gasket under coin box if necessary. Changing for card use. Remove 2 screws in front panel with screwdriver. Disconnect display board wire harnesses. Detach front panel assembly. Remove the 4 rubber caps and screws. Disassemble the outer lid assembly and remove the inserts. Unscrew 2 screws in top plate assembly. Disconnect coin drop wire harnesses. Push back top plate. This may require some effort. Disassemble top plate with coin meter case and set on product. Unclip wires from retainers. Remove top plate. Replace top plate for a card use plate without holes and reassemble. Attach card reader to card use front panel and insert 2 screws. Reassemble front panel. Connect display board wire harnesses. Connect card reader wire harness to card reader. Close front panel. Insert 2 screws in front panel. Change machine from coin mode to card mode. In LQC1 mode, press Hot to select TEST. Press Warm or Cold to select STUP. Then press Start Pause. Press Warm or Cold to select FEA1. Then press Start Pause. Press Warm or Cold to select VEND. Then press Start Pause. Now you can change coin mode to card mode. Press Warm or Cold to select CARD. Then press Start Pause. Machine has now been changed to card mode. For further details, see the owner's manual. Changing for OPL use. Have OPL and coin sheet ready. Remove 2 screws in front panel with screwdriver. Disconnect display panel wire harnesses and remove front panel. Detach card sheet. Remove 4 screws under card sheet. Remove card reader bracket from front panel. Attach OPL and coin sheet on front panel. Assemble front panel. Connect display panel wire harnesses. Insert 2 screws in front panel. Change machine setup from card mode to OPL mode. In LQC1 mode, press Hot to select TEST. Press Warm or Cold to select STUP. Then press Start Pause. Press Warm or Cold to select TYPE. Then press Start Pause. Press Start Pause again to select PAY. Press Warm or Cold to select FREE. Then press Start Pause. Machine is now in OPL mode. For further details, see the owner's manual. Custom program. Setting a custom program. Custom program is available in OPL mode only. In LQC1 mode, press Hot. Press Warm or Cold to select STUP, then press Start Pause. Press Warm or Cold to select CUST, then press Start Pause. Press Warm or Cold to select TOTL, then press Start Pause. Press Warm or Cold to select total number of custom cycles, from 1 to 20. Press Start Pause. The machine sets up the total number of custom cycles. Press Start Pause. Press Warm or Cold to select custom cycle number 1 to 20. Press Start Pause. The machine sets up the custom mode. Detail for custom program settings. Users can design their own programs and save up to 20 custom cycles for optimized washing performance. For further details, see the owner's manual. Auto-dosing. Connecting auto-dosing. Remove 2 screws in the protective cover. Remove protective cover. Connect auto-dosing connector included with accessories. Auto-dosing installation process varies depending on manufacturer. Connect auto-dosing hoses to inlets on machine. Inlet cap installation. Inlet caps are located in bag with owner's manual. Insert inlet caps on inlets at back of machine. 1. Pre-wash. Pre-wash phase. 2. Softener. Final rinse phase. 3. Bleach. Main wash phase. 4. Main wash. Main wash phase. 5. Emulsifier. Main wash phase. 1. Pre-wash. Pre-wash phase. 2. Softener. Final rinse phase. 3. Bleach. Main wash phase. 4. Main wash. Main wash phase. Inlet caps are not necessary if auto-dosing function is used. Cautions for gas dryer installation. Exhaust duct. Use rigid or semi-rigid metal duct for the exhaust duct. Do not use plastic, vinyl, or thin foil duct and keep the duct run as short as possible. Use duct tape on all joints to fully insulate the venting system. When installing several dryers on a shared exhaust duct, the exhaust duct diameter must increase with each dryer added. Natural multiple venting system. Main exhaust duct diameter should be larger than individual ducts. An exhaust duct which is too narrow inside or overly long will cause poor ventilation and drying performance and may result in a dryer malfunction. Follow this guide to size the gathering exhaust duct when installing more than 2 ducts. Incline the exhaust duct toward the exit at a 45-degree angle when exhaust duct from dryer is connected to the main exhaust duct. A perpendicular connection will disturb airflow. If exhaust duct is too long or if airflow velocity does not reach 5 meters per second, install a suction fan. For further details, see the service manual. Forced multiple venting system. Use adjusted damper to fix airflow velocity at 5 meters per second at exit.